Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 1, My Family and Me. Today we will do page number 3 and 4. We have read till page 2 and today we will going to start with page number 3. We have read about the family tree given on page number 2. Children, this is a picture of family tree given on page number 2. We have studied this family tree. Now on page number 3 there is an exercise. Fun time is given based on this picture. So we will look into this picture and then we will solve the exercise. And you have to find the answers in this picture only. With the help of this picture you will find the answers. Now children, this is the exercise fun time given on page number 3. Look at Tanya's family tree and take the correct answer. First one is Krishna is Tanya's Bua or Mausi. The correct answer is Bua. Second is Tanya is Sambhav's sister or cousin. Answer is sister. Harish is Rohini's Chacha or Dada. The correct answer is Dada. Harish is Rohini's Dada. Anita is Tanya's Chachi. Dadi is the wrong one. Chachi is the correct answer. Tanya's father is Sagar. The correct answer is Sagar. Mayank is wrong answer. Mayank is Tanya's Chacha. Sarla is Sagar's mother. Mother is the correct answer. Mayank's sister is Krishna. Krishna is the correct answer. Rohini is Mayank's daughter. So Krishna is the correct answer. Eighth one is Mayank is Sagar's brother. Brother is the correct answer. Chacha is the wrong one. So children, answers are given here. You have to simply tick the correct answer. That I have done it here. You have to do it likewise in your book only. And then you will do this exercise in your notebook also. Now children, moving on to the page number 3. After the exercise, next topic is given. What does the family teach us? What our family teaches us? So now read. When Riya goes to Tanya's house, Tanya asks Riya to leave her shoes on the shoe rack near the door. A shoe rack is kept near the door and Riya asks Tanya to leave her shoes on the shoe rack. Why? Now she explains. Underline the word explains. 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 Explains means make it clear. Now Tanya is making it clear to Riya that it is a custom. Underline the word custom. 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 The meaning of custom is a practice of behaving or doing something is known as custom. In their family, to remove the shoes and slippers and are worn outside and wear one of the slippers kept on the rack. So it is the custom of the family of Tanya's that they keep their shoes on the shoes rack which are worn outside of the house, and they take up one of the slippers which are also kept on the rack and wear it inside the house. So that is the practice which Tanya's family is doing in her home. So Tanya also asked Riya to do the same thing. He asked her to remove her shoes and take another set of slippers from the shoe rack, and then she can go inside the house of Tanya. Now moving on to the next paragraph. Most families follow a set of customs and traditions. Underline the word traditions. 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 Tradition is a set of beliefs or behavior that is followed in a society and that are also passed from one generation to another. These are passed on from one generation to another. These goes from one generation to another. Some common customs are eating dinner together. In our families, there is a custom of eating dinner together. All the family members meet at the time of dinner and they take the dinner together. Second is celebrating festivals and special days together. All the festivals and special days like birthdays, etc. are celebrated together in most of the families of our country. So traditions are the customs which are prevailing in the society. This is a picture of a family showing here. A happy family is shown here. Now the hard words for today which we have come across in first and second paragraph. First one is leave. Leave means go away from. Second one is shoe rack. Shoe rack is a storage for shoes. It is an arrangement made for the storage for shoes. Third is explains. Explains means makes clear. Customs. So meaning of custom is a practice of behaving or doing something. The meaning of outside is outer part of something. Traditions, belief or behavior within a society. These traditions are passed from one generation to another generation. Now your assignment for today is write all the hard words and their meanings in a notebook. Learn the spellings of all the hard words. Number third, write 5 customs and traditions of your family, as it is given in the chapter that all celebrating all the festivals together, keeping the shoes in the shoe rack which are worn outside of the house. Likewise, you have to write 5 customs and traditions which are prevailing in your family. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.